Saturday, Tuesday, July 30, 2019, at the parking lot for Spruce Knob of High Point of West Virginia, 4863 feet. So there are hiking options. You don't have to drive to the top, but it's kind of like an 11-mile hike with only 1,000 feet elevation gain. So just opted for this to make things more convenient.
You brought me along.
And I came by myself as usual. Shut up, stop ruining my video.
It's funny because you didn't go by yourself, that's why it's funny.
Just kind of like an easy half-mile hike. I guess this isn't the High Point, this is the parking lot, but I don't know, just kind of a half-mile loop.
He came with his front and Matt paid for the set. That's who he came with.
Just a nice, easy, manicured gravel path to walk on.
Little ticks. He's got ticks.
This is like cool, but kind of lame. Yeah, you want to go back up the tower? The tower's the worst spot. So I guess this kind of entire area is roughly the same elevation, so it's all the High Point. So I'm gonna call that number 12, Spruce Knob, West Virginia, 4863 feet. And due to time constraints, that's gonna wrap up high pointing for the year. Fortunately, not much this year, but hopefully something epic and get a lot done next year. So half-mile walk around this area. Honestly, pretty nice overall. But since we drove to the top, not much of a challenge or nothing really cool.